How do people experience better air? A journey full of life. A refreshing deep breath. Start of a new life. Better air is the better every day we wish to create for everyone. We innovate and improve, create and rebuild. To build a whole house air solution. To become the guardian of clean air. Bring healthier breath to families. To become the planner of soft air. Bring better feelings to every corner. To bring a better sound. Like a calm whisper in the air. Built with a strong heart. Brings faster and more efficient performance. And a cooler solution. Discover it's better through easy-to-use features while it accompanies you through time. To bring convenience of life, creating better connections. We are taking environmental protection as our responsibility. There is much for us to achieve in the future. For us, pursuing better is an instinct deeply rooted in our DNA. It calls for us to explore better quality, with better performances, and better experience. To create greener, purer, and a more relaxing daily life.
Won't be mad anymore.
We walked a long way to become better, but we will never stop pursuing it. We crave for better now more than ever. Haier, professional, smart, and healthy air solutions provider. Innovate continuously and explore infinitely. For everyone, for better life.